Ron from High Tech Legion, and this is the NZXT Premium Cable Starter Kit. And this one in particular comes in a black color, as you can see here on the upper right hand corner. And it's essentially a set of 4 cables that you have to that allow you to extend your cables. These are cable extenders, essentially not just for aesthetic reasons, but they also allow you to extend the reach of your power supply, which comes in handy if you have a full tower case. But of course, as you can see, it is much neater. As you can, the cables are individually separated, and let's take a look at the back and see what it looks like. You have the CB6V, CB24P, CB8P, and CB8V cables are included in this package. You can buy these individually as well, and NZXT's, as you can see from on the NZXT product page of premium cables, they have the CB24P in particular comes in red, white, and black, but the other cables so far are only come in black. So so far NZXT is offering these cables in a black color, but I'm sure if more users would request the red and white version as well, it will be available soon. And as you can see here, there's a preview of what it looks like on the back of the packaging. And it's also much neater when you route your cables compared to the multicolored cables that are in your from your default power supply. And since each thing are individually wrapped, it's much neater to organize. And let's start opening this up. The packaging is very tough, so it's you might require something tougher than a knife, maybe a heavy-duty scissor. So you can just open up, just clean up both sides. Might take a while. See if that should be enough to open it up. Almost. In this plastic covering, it's harder to open than a regular box usually, so it's not our typical unboxing, but that should do it. Both plastic on the side, and just pull the cable kit out. And let me just pull it out from underneath. And here we go. Let me just grab this 24-pin motherboard cable just to show you what it looks like. As you can see, these are premium extension cables. They're individually braided. And for you to be able to do this, of course, you have to take out your, if you've seen case modders, what they usually do is take out the power supply, order the braiding online, and then also order these heat shrink wraps, and just basically mark each of the cables, which are the 8 volt, which is the 24, which is the 5 volt and 12 volt, and the grounding, and just start and rather manually do this. It takes hours. I've actually tried it before, and it really takes several hours. But for this one, all you need to do is just basically plug in one end, the female end, into your power supply, and one end to your, of course, plug into your motherboard. And you won't really see the rest of the other cables because you're going to route it at the back of the motherboard if you have one of those cases that have a very good cable management support. So the end result will be like as we saw on the box. You'll only see the extension cable, the NZXT Premium extension cable right underneath. So what I'm going to do is store this into my system right now. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's installed. These all are similar length, so shouldn't be any problem. These are just extension cables anyway. And in particular, this 8-pin motherboard extension is actually very useful, since for a lot of power supplies the 8-pin usually comes in too short, and if you have to route it to the top. So extension cable like this, I could imagine, even if you don't buy the entire kit, you can buy this one individually, and it comes very useful, especially if you have a full tower case where the 8-pin power does not route all the way up. It comes in handy. So let's install it to our system and take a look at what it looks like when everything is installed.